Good morning, everyone. It's so good to be able to talk to you guys again this week. We are in another week of remote learning. So I just wanted to go through your calendar and go through the agenda, show you where you guys can see everything. So on the calendar for this week, on Monday, you'll have Module 7, Lesson 3. And then on Tuesday, you'll have Module 7, Lesson 4. And then Wednesday, again, is our pause day. On Thursday, we'll do comparing Wilson's 14 points and the Treaty of Versailles. And then Friday, we actually are going to do the very first thing that is going to be for the next chapter, which is going to be the Roaring Twenties. So I wanted to go through all this. So if you go back over to your remote learning folder, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see the May 18th to May 22nd agenda. When you click on it, the agenda should pop up for you. So this week, again, on Monday, you're going to read pages, Module 7, Lesson 3, pages 336 to 345, and then you're going to complete the Google form here. This is the standard Google form that we have been doing. You put your name, your period, you put all your information in, you submit. Once you submit, you should always check your NA Google accounts to see if you have a submission receipt. That is proof that I have gotten your information. And also, in case there is an issue, I can then grade off of that receipt if you need to share it with me. The second one is going to be due on Tuesday, which is Module 7, Lesson 4, pages 348 to 355. Again, same deal. You can click on this Google form. These Google forms are also in the Module 7 World War I folder, and they're called the Homework Google Forms. If you want to get them there, you're going to complete that, and then that's it for Tuesday. And again, Monday's assignment will be due Monday at midnight, and then again, Tuesday's assignment will be due Tuesday at midnight. Wednesday is our pause day, so we will not be doing anything. Now, Thursday is a little bit confusing, so please bear with me for a little bit. So what we're going to take a look at is comparing Wilson's 14 points, which is what he wanted to do after World War I was over and how he wanted to reshape the world, and then the actual Treaty of Versailles, which was signed at the end of the war. So you are going to go to this Google document. I had tried to make it so that your first version of this document would be a view only, but I have found out that even though I have set it that way, it's still allowing people to go ahead and write in there. But please do not, because this is a shared document with everybody in American history. Okay. So what you are going to do is you are going to take a look at the two links that are in here, which is going to be Wilson's 14 points. So then you can go to the link here. It is going to load. It's a reading about Wilson's 14 points. You're going to read it here, and you're going to pick out what you think are the 5 most important things. And you also are going to do the exact same thing with the summary of the Treaty of Versailles. So you click that link, and then this pops up. It's going to tell you all about the Treaty of Versailles, some stuff about the 14 points. And you are then going to complete this Google form. Now, the only thing you need to make sure that you do is when you complete this Google form, you need to make it your own, and it can't be something that is with everyone. So you're going to go over, not to share because that's wrong. You are going to go to File, Make a Copy. All right, so you're going to go File, Make a Copy of the entire presentation. It's only one slide. You click OK here. It's going to copy it. And then when it copies it, you are going to rename it. You can either rename it just by clicking here, or you can go to File and you can click down here to rename. And basically what you're going to rename it is whatever period you are in. So if you're period 4, and then you're going to put your last name in here, and then you are just going to then have Wilson. You can leave the rest of this if you want to, but you don't really have to. I just need to know basically what it is. Okay. All right. Now, this is your own document. The other thing I highly recommend is that you go over here, click out of the old document so you know which one you're working in, and this is the good one. You are then going to have to share this with me. So you're going to go to share, and you are then going to go to copy the link. Okay. Now, when you copy the link, the biggest thing here is you need to make sure that this is changed. So you're going to click here, and it says anyone in North Allegheny School District with this link can view, which most people thinks that means that I would be able to view it, but it will not let me view those. It will tell me I need to request access. So you need to click on here, and then you need to click down to anyone with the link. It will update it. You need to click over here. You need to change the viewer to editor so I can put actual points inside of your document. Then you're going to copy this link. Okay. Now, once this link is copied and once you filled in everything you need to know on your document, and you've copied the link, again, you're going to put in 5 things here. You're going to put in 3 or 5 things here. Then you're going to put in 3 things that are going to be common to both of them, both the documents. You're going to go back to your weekly agenda, and then you're going to click on this Google form. This Google form is going to be a submission of the link. So you put your name in here, you put your period, your name in there, and then you are going to paste your link in here, and then you hit submit. Okay. Now, this is just a nice, easy way for me to get all of your information in one place because it makes a wonderful Excel spreadsheet that I could just click on the links and I don't have to get each of you individually sending me this document. It just goes to one place and then I can get it. Okay, so that is your Comparing Wilson's 14 points and how to submit it and how to make it your own. Okay, all right, the last thing you're going to do for this week is you're going to watch this American history video about the 1920s. The 1920s is the Roaring 20s. We are so happy we've won this war. Everyone's so happy that this war is over. We think the good times are going to last forever and ever. So this video is going to be talking about all of those things. Just want to warn you, it is 23 minutes long. So if you would like to maybe start it on the pause day, if you do that, you need to write your answers on a separate piece of paper because you cannot, like the Google Forms, won't let you submit unless everything is done. Okay, so you're going to watch the video again, sorry, 23 minutes long, and then you're going to do this Google form about the Roaring 20s. And again, same deal as before, name, period, answer the questions, and then you guys are done for the week. Okay, one last thing I wanted to do for this week. This is just going to be a nice, wonderful shout out to my kids. So I've got 3 kids. So I got Sullivan here, and then Jackson's in the middle, and then Dylan's on the other end. So Jackson in the center there has just graduated from college. This was supposed to be his graduation weekend. So they did do a virtual graduation, but I just wanted to say shout out to Jackson and congratulations with getting his computer science degree from St. Bonaventure University. And then I also have another graduate this year. My daughter Dylan is graduating from Mount Lebanon High School. So I wanted to also say congratulations to her. And she will be attending Purdue University next year in the School of Pharmacy. And then on the other side, I've got Sully. And Sully is not graduate. Well, he's graduating from 8th grade this year. And next year he's going to be a freshman in high school. Okay. So hope you guys all have a great week. If you have any issues, again, you can either contact me with the Google Hangouts or you can contact me via email. All right. Have a good week, guys. Talk to you next week.